Hi guys, I'm Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist, and I am going to do some boxing. I get a lot of products sent to me and I thought, why don't I just bring you through the journey and talk about great products? So let's go. Okay, this is exciting. This is called a scrunchie. So like a scrunchie meets a bungee cord mix. So what this is for, here's what it looks like. And here is one of the creators, Matthew, my friend. We work together all the time. I'm obsessed with Matthew. So this is supposed to be, all these brands said that they make, hair ties that are not going to crease your hair, right? And we all know that that's like really not true. So what you do is you stick this in like that, and then you wrap it around. You can do it with one hand. You wrap it around like this, and I'm not a hairstylist. And you just kind of just pull it in your hair. And there it is. They did a test, and the test was that they went to a 45-minute workout class. They all wore them, and then when they took out their hair, they had no lines in their hair. I love it, and I love Matthew. It's called Find Your Perfect Hold. Chelsea King is the other founder. Congratulations, Matthew and Chelsea. These are awesome, and I'm so glad to use them. So happy to use them. And glad as well. So these are interesting. These just came out from It Cosmetics. So it's called Bye Bye Spots. It's a serum concealer and serum. And what's really cool is it comes with this kabuki brush on top. So you just take this out, place a little bit here, and then blend it. And it says to wash the kabuki brush every week. Oh, this is cool. I think this color's a little light for me, but it's really nice. I like the texture of the concealer, and I like the brush. I think it's fun. It's good. Okay, this is an interesting one. I do get a lot of questions on sweating. So this is Secure the Sweat Dry Till Dawn Primer. You put it on, and apparently you sweat, and it won't let you sweat. It's aluminum free, which is good. It's sweat proof, waterproof, oil proof primer that locks in makeup and helps maintain your matte finish by controlling oil and shine for 12 hours. Well, we're gonna put this to the test, but just so you know, this exists if you're a sweaty Betty. Okay, so we all know the brand. You should know the brand, Naturium. They sell it at Target. It's a great brand. One of my friends actually created it. These are viral on Instagram. It's their lip balms, and I love the applicator. It's this really nice applicator. Let's see. And they're just like these nice tinted balms. Very nice. TikTok made me do it. Okay, I don't know if you watched Euphoria. My dog used to go to a groomer named Euphoria way before the show came out. But Euphoria, there's a line that's been spawned off from it by the creators of all those looks called Half Magic. This is Glitterpill. It's a glitter eyeliner. I mean, I can't get enough of this. I think it's amazing. Let's see how we look. So if you want to just up your game, up your ante, it's all about glitter. Also, I love this case. It's so cute. I did get a couple other, this is a glitter lip gloss. Okay, let's see. Ooh, see how that just bumps it up a notch? Frosty bitch. So a lot of times people are asking me how to keep their blush on longer. So I love using a Blylighter, which is a cream-based blush, and then putting a powder blush over it. So these just came out from Girlactik. Maybe not just, but I just opened them. This is Bora. You can see it's a blush, but it also has a shimmer to it, like a sheen. This is kind of like a rose gold color. It's so pretty. I know they have other colors, but I'm really into it. And I just wanted to show you, I really like this line. I mean, I know it's a blush, but I feel like it's pretty on the eyes too. Look at that, how it just amps it up. Pretty. Girlactik, I'm friends with the owner, and I just think it's such a good, all the products are really good, you guys. So check them out. Look how pretty that is. It's Okay, everybody is into those bronzing drops from Drunk Elephant, and they're sold out and you can't get them. So I started hunting for something that could be equivalent, and I found this is the Butter Glow from Physicians Formula. I just want to show you guys this. It's great. It smells like a vacation. And if you want to look bronzy, you could just add a little of this into your moisturizer like the girls do. But look at that. It's an instant suntan. Here, I have a little left on my hands. You can see that it really just warms you up. You can add it, like I said, to the moisturizer to be the drops, but it's beautiful and it's natural looking, and it actually doesn't have much of a smell at all, but faint vacation smell. Faint, but I love them. It's a good dupe, doopity doop, dupe, dupe. This is pretty. It's a good for you container. It's Caliray. This is Sexy Sustainability, and I would say it is. Ba 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 boom. And this is a palette. You have your eyes, you have your cheeks, bronzer, glowing right here, a little bit of glow, a little translucent, all in one, refillable. Just awesome. Love it, Caliray. Where all my eczema people. So Herbitual. This is a skin barrier cream. It's called Atopic Skin Defense, and it's if you're dry, this is amazing. It's made of all good things. They even sent me this like beautiful crystal and sage. Just be awesome, and really into this. It's new. I've never seen it before, but I really like it. It's soothing. If you have flary skin, this is definitely something you should have in your repertoire. Another new brand I found called Sage and Ylang. This is really what I fell in love with, this probiotic mask. It comes dry. You can add a little bit of water. You could add a little bit of essence. Put that mask on and you're going to be brightened and beautiful. It's got pre and postbiotics in it. It's a botanical extracts, and your skin is just going to be better for it. If you also are somebody that deals with like eczema or rosacea, this is a calming mask. So I'm obsessed with it. I do know they have other masks because I see in their brochure, but they've won a lot of awards and they're pretty awesome. So check them out. They're biodegradable, plant origin, and just a really nice new line that I came across, and I like it. I like it. Okay, so this is a brand that I've been using for over 10 years, this Boscia. And they have a lot of different fabulous products. One is their Purifying Gel Cleanser, but I just wanted to show you that I have all these like cute little sample sizes. So if you ever want to try something new, don't be afraid to get the samples and just go after it. This is their Cactus Water Moisturizer. This is Balm as well. And then this is regular size, obviously, but check them out. It's a really great line. I'm really into them, but I love their cleansing gel. It's bomb. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me some products you love or some that you want me to try, and we'll do this again. Also, if you're interested in anything that I just talked about, just click the link below and you can go shop, honey, because Shop Till You Drop is my middle name. It's a long middle name, but never had to put it on a necklace or anything, but you get it.